A very warm greetings to all. Knowledge is the key for success. We all have heard this thought, but do we really know the meaning of this? Today, we the students of Delhi Public School Rishikesh have collected data of Puducherry on various topics of last 5 years.
Such as population, GDP, literacy rate, etc. We have also mentioned it in the form of pie charts and bar graphs.
Morning everyone, I Radhikumar Divakar will be representing the Group 1. Our topic is GDP. What is GDP? GDP stands for Gross Domestic Product. Puducherry is a steadily growing economy with a GDP of rupees 0.39 trillion as 2023 to 2024. However, it is making a struggle to accelerate its GDP further. Now let's see Puducherry's GDP of last 5 years with the help of bar graph. Puducherry's GDP in 2021 was 13 crore and 50 lakh. In 2023, its GDP was 40 crore and 50 lakhs. Now we will see Puducherry. How does Puducherry contribute in India's GDP and how does it get its GDP from? Maharashtra 15.7%, Tamil Nadu 9.1%, Uttar Pradesh 9.2%, Gujarat 8.2% and Puducherry 0.39%. How Puducherry get its GDP from? 50% is from tourism, 45% agriculture, development is 3.1% and others is 1%.
The member of Group 2 will be presenting a presentation on the topic population. Let's begin with the introduction. What is population? The number of people staying in a particular geographical area. What are the disadvantages and advantages of population? The disadvantages are deforestation, decreased biodiversity, and the advantages are that if there will be more people, there would be more profit. Now let's see the bar graph to know that the population of last 5 years. In year 2019, the population of Puducherry was 8,16,000 and the growth rate was 2.51%. In year 2020, the population of Puducherry was 8,36,000 and the growth rate was 2.45%. In year 2021, the population of Puducherry was 8,56,000 and the growth rate was 2.39%. In year 2022, the population was 8,77,000 and the growth rate was 2.45%. And last, the year 2023, the population of Puducherry was 8,98,000 and the growth rate was 2.39%. Now at last, I would like to conclude the presentation with the last topic, conclusion. In the conclusion about population, that what is population? The number of people staying in a particular geographical area is called population. And what are the disadvantages and advantages of population? And in year 2024, the population of Puducherry is 9,19,280. Thank you.
A very warm greetings to everyone. Today, I, Kaustubh Thapyal, will be presenting the Group 3. So, our topic is literacy rate. So, let's begin with our project. Do you know what is literacy rate? Literacy rate is the measure of percentage of people within a specific population who can read and write. There are some advantages like economic growth and productivity, poverty reduction, etc. And there are some disadvantages like skills mismatch in the job market, economic disparities, etc. This is the bar graph showing the literacy rate of Puducherry of last 5 years. According to the census, in 1981, it was 60.51%. In 1991, it was 74.7%. In 2001, it was 81.2%. And in 2011, it was 85.8%. In 2021, census delayed due to COVID-19. I would like to conclude my presentation by saying a quote that literacy is not just the ability to read and write. It's the fundamental tool that improves individual. Through this project, we learned what is literacy rate, its advantages, and disadvantages. Thank you.
Very warm greetings to all. I am Shatakshi from class 6, group number 4 is going to present data related to Puducherry's forest cover. So let's begin. What do we mean by forest cover? Forest cover is the amount of land that is covered with forest. So let's talk about the percentage of light forest in Puducherry. 28% is light forest in Puducherry and 72% is dark forest. Understand through this pie chart that 57% in Puducherry is natural forest and plantation has been done in only 38% in Puducherry and other cover area in Puducherry is 5%.
Presenting Group 5. Our topic is water level of Puducherry in the last 5 years. But what exactly is water level? Water level is a level that is assumed by any particular body or column of water. Now let's see a pie chart to understand increase and decrease of water level in Puducherry from last 5 years. In year 2022 it was 59.5% decrease. In year 2021 it was 60.12% increase. In year 2020 it was 17.09% decrease. In year 2019 it was 17.89% decrease. In year 2018 it was 60.7% decrease. At the last, I would like to conclude that water's worth beyond compare. Save it now for life to share. Thank
At
you.
the end, we would like to conclude our project work on the note that it has provided us space to explore, create and give knowledge about pie chart formations.
And also, from this concept, we have learned the pie charts and bar graphs in an integrated way with our science and social science.
Thank you.